Hi, welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Earlier, I have explained about data binding. In data binding, data can be bind in two ways: one-way data binding, two-way data binding. I have explained the different types of data bindings, like string interpolation, property binding, and now I will introduce this event binding. Event binding nothing but a one-way data binding. Data can be bind from HTML to the TS file. For example, if you clicked on the button, when I clicked on the button, it will reflect to the TS file. The logic will be displayed on the UI. So this event binding is opposite to the string interpolation and property binding. Why? Because string interpolation and property binding, uh, data can be bind from the template TS file to the HTML file, but in event binding it is an opposite. So let's discuss in an example. Yeah, you can create a button, click me, in the button. Event binding indicates with the click event. In the click, you can give is clicked. So you can click this. So in this case, I will give an alert here. Button clicked. So it will render in the HTML file. So when I clicked on the click me, the alert box will be displayed on the page. Yeah, you can see here. So this is an event binding. In event binding, we have a lot of events like click and mouse over, mouse enter, key up, key down, etc., etc. So you know about all the events, then only you can get more clarity on the event binding. It has a lot of events in the event binding, so you need to clarity on that. So coming to the concept, event binding is that data can be bind from component HTML file to the TS file. So it is an opposite to string and property binding. Thank you.